How to fix Instagram Reel draft disappeared. So first of all, let's try to check for our Instagram draft. There's two ways that you can do it. First of all, get to your Instagram, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, simply tap on the plus icon you can see on the top left. After doing that, you'll get to see a draft icon right here. Simply tap on that. After doing so, here you'll find all of your Instagram drafts. If you cannot find it in here, there's another way that you can do. So for that, go back. And then from here, simply tap on your profile icon right here. Then you'll get to see the reel icon right here. Simply tap on that. And then in here, you'll find all of your drafts. Simply tap on that. And in here, you can see this is one of my drafts. For some reason, if you cannot find it right here, you might have accidentally deleted it. So what you can do is simply go back. And we are on our profile. From here, simply tap on our menu bar right here. Then we'll get to the settings and activity. From here, you can simply tap on the option your activity. So after doing that, here you can see the option of recently deleted. Simply tap on that, and in here you'll be able to find any kind of content or Instagram reel draft that you might have accidentally deleted. So if you still cannot find it in here, then what you can do is simply try to look for any kind of updates. So for that, go back and simply open your app store. Then from here, simply what you're gonna do is search for Instagram. In here you can see Instagram. So if you do see an update button just like this, all you need to do is tap on it and wait for a few seconds, and after a few seconds your Instagram will be up to date. So after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to find your Instagram reel draft. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.